Rio, go take a shower in the sink. Go take a shower. Go on. Go on, you can do it. Oh, she's never been in the sink before. I give her a bowl. Have you seen in my other videos? But I prefer to do it here. It's easier to clean up because when she's on the cage and I give her the bowl, she splashes my walls, my curtains, everything. Because she's such a big bird. Go on. This is her first time in this sink. I'm hoping she'll go in to show you guys. Very exciting moment. Go inside, girl. No. Gonna go in? Maybe if I... Up. Put her close by. I don't want to scare her. No. Rio finally went in the sink. It took a few days, but here she is. At least I can clean up better. Oh, she's gonna splash the camera. I better back up. Stay inside, honey.